What's up, gang? What's up, Cast Kingdom? But today, what we doing today? Today, we back on the monkey. This is part 2. If you didn't watch my first video, go watch it, bro. Go watch the first video. You know what I'm saying? But I ain't gonna lie, without further ado, let's get right. Hello?
Hey, what's up?
Oh! What the actual fuck? What the actual fuck? Bro, what the fuck?
Yo.
What the fuck? Want me to remove? Damn, why you hating like that?
You look a mess.
You sound like a nigga.
I am a nigga.
Bro,
I am a nigga.
oh my god, bro.
Hello?
What's up?
Bro, where the fuck did they just out?
Huh?
My funded?
What's your names?
The
What's your name?
hers or mine?
Both of y'all's.
Her name's Olivia. Mine is Patience.
Patience. Oh, alright. Those are nice names.
Thank you.
Wait, where y'all from?
Around and about.
Around and about.
Around and about.
So I can't get a state or nothing.
It depends.
Depends on what.
Who wants to know?
I do. Isn't that good enough?
I don't know. How's it gonna benefit you?
Cause I might come see you.
I doubt it.
Shit. Don't test it. I come.
I doubt it. It's a lot of talk. I doubt it.
I don't do too much talking. What's your Instagram? We can text about it.
See, people be asking me. I don't have Instagram, and I'm not gonna download Instagram either.
So what you got?
I have Snapchat. I have my number.
Alright,
What
then
else?
what's your number? What's your number?
With a pen and a paper.
Huh? I don't need it. I got my phone ready. What is it?
317
317
792
792
4541.
4541.
Mhm.
I'm about to text you so we can talk about Lincoln later. Soon.
Soon.
Yeah.
See, my soon and your soon can be different.
What's your soon?
My soon can be sometime next week, next month. Your soon can be sometime next week. It just depends. You're gonna have to find the middle ground.
We gonna talk about it. We better talk about it.
You say that.
You got that? You got that text?
Mhm.
Alright, I'm about to text you. I'm gonna keep texting you.
Alright.
That money out? Was that money? That was money? Was that money? That was money. Oh.
You've been lonely, you feel haunted. Step front to ask for me, but without
Oh, tell me now. Oh, you tryna break me? Oh, you tryna make me? Send it better. The shit that I see, the shit that I see, the shit that I live. Nah, for real. That was W. That's going to the video for sure. Hello?
Yo,
What's up?
you want to see one of my boxing moves?
Huh?
Want to see one of my boxing moves?
Yeah, I got it.
Bet, you want 1-2 hook?
Huh?
You want to see a 1-2 hook?
Yeah, I got it. Let me see.
Yeah. So this is the 1, this is the 2, and this is a hook. Ready? 1, 2, hook.
You think you can fight?
Huh?
You think you can fight?
Yeah.
I'll beat you up.
Nigga, I'm in real boxing. My coach gave me these.
You can't box me. I will whoop you.
No, you won't.
I will.
Nigga,
How old are you?
14.
Young, bro. Oh my God, this shit don't count.
You trying to make some money?
I guess.
Let's play a game, okay?
What game?
Yeah, okay, so my friend right here. And I'm gonna think of a number, okay?
Okay.
And if you get the number, I send you $15.
So she's thinking of the number, or are you thinking of it?
I'm gonna think of the number. And y'all both go guess.
6.
No, wait, I didn't even think of a number.
You lying?
No, I didn't think of a number yet, actually. Who are you?
What? You confusing the shit out of me, bro.
Oh, you're so funny. We so sorry.
It's all good.
That was her.
Wait, that's your girl?
No, we're best friends.
Y'all best friends?
Yeah.
So, I can get your Instagram?
My Instagram?
Yeah.
Is this an Android?
No, it's not an Android. Do I look like an Android?
Is this a MacBook?
What? Nah.
It's a Levion.
It's like a PC.
Yeah.
A Levion. Okay, why that camera, why the quality don't look that bad though?
Nah, it looks bad. Compared to my webcam right there, it looks bad. It don't let me switch.
Yeah, you can get my Instagram. Follow me right now.
Alright, what is it?
It's XX
Mm-hmm.
MAMASS.
Yeah, that's alright.
You
Just
see
followed
it?
it. Yeah, I just followed it. I followed
Salute me or shoot me. Okay.
No!
Hello.
Hello?
Why you trying to talk like you?
What you mean I'm trying to talk like you?
There you go. Order again.
I'm not talking like you. You trying to talk like me.
Nah.
I'm sorry though, I understand though.
What?
I understand if you're trying to talk like me.
I guess.
What's your name?
Why you want her?
Huh?
Why you want her?
I was trying to find you.
They told her you was talking to more than people way before you got out here.
I was searching for you. I was skipping everybody.
This for real.
I am being for real. What make you think I'm
You're a
lying?
liar.
I'm not a liar.
That sure is.
How? You don't even know.
But anyways, what's your name?
My name is Casey. Hashtag you're a man.
Huh?
Hashtag you're a man.
Mm.
Yeah. What's your Instagram?
GET
GET.
SO
That's
MY
MY.
SHAY _.
Found it. Alright, follow me back.
I'll think about it.
You'll think about it. I wasn't asking.
Alright, follow back. Bye.
That's another one. Wait, what if my shit was messed up? Alright, it's not. I would see. Bro, I would have been so mad, bro. Hello? Oh shit, you look good.
Stop.
What you mean?
Stop.
What you mean stop?
I
I'm
don't
just telling you the truth.
No.
I'm trying to get you some flowers. What's your Instagram?
Really?
Yeah. Really? Does your
X.
is what? Hold up.
X.
S?
You said S?
No, X. You said X.
C.
C
L.
L
U.
U
SIVE.
SIZE.
V. It's exclusive. You can't hear.
Alright.
And then NA.
NA
TA.
TA
LIE_.
LIE. I'm about to follow you in section. Alright.
Mhm.
What's up?
Hi.
You look young. How old are you?
14.
Yeah, you're young. She's young as fuck. So young. 14. Young as hell.
Bitch. Fuck. Fuck much.
Fuck who?
Nigga.
Yo.
Fuck who?
Who
Fuck
wasn't
me?
talking to you?
Oh, alright.
No.
You had to make sure.
But what you doing?
Damn, I was trying to find you on this little app.
Oh, you found me.
Yeah, I did. I know. Why you not
So
putting
what's your Snapchat?
My back.
I don't use Snapchat.
Do you use Instagram?
Yeah.
Okay, so what's your Instagram? Then?
CAS.
Hold on. See?
Nah, type in.
A-N.
This is what it is.
Huh? Wait. Just spell it to me.
R_R.
Wait, hold on. Repeat it from the beginning.
_R.
Okay, hold on. Uh-huh.
EA.
Uh-huh.
L.
Uh-huh.
CAS.
CAS.
Yeah.
It's not popping up.
Did you type that right?
_REALCAS.
Yeah.
Oh, I found her.
You found it? Follow me. Text me.
I did. Did you get it?
Yeah. I got it.
You did? You can go look at my pussies. I'm pretty. I promise.
Alright. I just.
Yeah. Period.
She raised me up. Cool little video, y'all. You know what I'm saying? But go check out my Kick. I be streaming on there. Go check out my Kick. I be streaming on there. That bitch, she actually look good. I ain't gonna lie. She actually look good. But I'm about to go edit this video, y'all. It was a good little video. But check out all my stuff, bro. And tune in for the next video.